So when someone tries to come into your RV, when someone scares you, you know why? Because they're terrified. They're scared. So being fearful causes people to do stupid things. So as long as you calm the fear, and the best way to calm someone's fear is to talk to them. I did scream at the lady, "What are you doing? Go away." You know, but she left. I was still scared, I gotta be honest. Even 10, 15 minutes after she left, I was still scared. But you know what? I'm not scared anymore. You know why? Because I confronted my fears. Just like I tell you all the time. And I said yesterday on the video I was talking about where I was a stripper, I'm not afraid to say it out loud because I said it. It's done. It's over. I've been afraid to be hated on, been afraid of other people's opinions. TikTok solved that problem for me. I have 188,000. You know why? Because those people were afraid. Now they're not afraid because I communicate. Communicate solves all your problems.